everyone. I wanted to tell you a little bit about a product that has really helped me. It's called the THERABAND FlexBar, and it's really a pretty simple product. Just looks like this. And I had used one when I went to physical therapy and decided to order one from Amazon when I started doing home workouts. I was having some soreness in my elbow, and also I've always kind of struggled with my wrists not being as strong as I would like them to be. And so I found that this is a really great little exercise bar if you want to try to use it like I did. I would take it and hold it like this and push in like so. And then also you can take it with your hands like this and push it and bend it this way. And another thing I would do with it is kind of wring it out like you're wringing out a dishcloth. And I have found that this was one thing that kind of helped with my soreness. And I've also seen that it helps with my strength in my wrist. And I thought it was a pretty interesting, simple thing to use that may help somebody else. Thank you.